Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to solve an interesting math question. X plus 11 is equal to x. What is the value of x? And there's another important question. Is this even a valid equation? Let's find out. Our original equation is x plus 11 is equal to x. Now let's take x on the left side and bring 11 on the right side. X minus x gives us 0. And we know that 0 is not equal to negative 11. So we can't solve this question with this method. And you can easily see that this is not a valid equation. But now let's try something interesting. What if I take squares on both sides? For example, if a is equal to b, then I can say that a squared is equal to b squared. Let's try that in our equation. X plus 11 is equal to x, so we can write that x plus 11 squared is equal to x squared. Now you can apply the math formula that goes like a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2 times a times b plus b squared, or we can use another formula which is this one. Let's solve it. X times x gives us x squared. X times 11, 11x, 11 times x, 11x, 11 times 11, 121. Adding 11x plus 11x, we get x squared plus 22x plus 121. Let's take x squared on the left side. Now, x squared cancels out with negative x squared, and we're left with 22x plus 121. Now take 121 on the right side. To solve this, let's divide both sides by 22. On the left side, 22 cancels out with 22 and we're left with x. On the right side, dividing 22 by 11, we get 2, and dividing 121 by 11, we get 11. Now that is our answer for this tricky and funny math question. But is it right? Is it valid? Let's find out. To check, let's substitute our solution into our original equation. Our original equation is x plus 11 is equal to x. Substituting this, we get negative 11 over 2 plus 11 is equal to negative 11 over 2. Now let's add this using the common denominator method. We get negative 11 plus 22 over 2. Negative 11 plus 22 gives us positive 11. And we know that positive 11 over 2 is not equal to negative 11 over 2. Therefore, our solution is not valid. But there's one more thing. Our equation itself is not valid. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, mention them in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.